So we have this very interesting exponential question with us. This is an endless exponential function whose value is half. Look at this endless exponential function. What is the value of this endless exponential function? The value of this endless exponential function is half, right? And what we need to do in this question? We need to find the value of x here, correct? So please look carefully. Look at the power. Look at this power. This is also an endless function, which is nothing but exactly same as the red function. Yes, this white function, endless white function, is similar to the endless red function. That means we can rewrite this power as half. So let's rewrite this. We can rewrite this as root x raised to power half, because this was similar to the original question that is given in the red part. So the value of this endless exponential power is also half. This is equals to half, correct? So we have rewritten this question in this way. Now what is root x? Root x is nothing but x raised to power half, and we have this power half already outside, is equals to half, correct? Now what will be the simplified form? The simplified form will be x raised to power 1 by 4, because half and half will be multiplied. This is equals to half. Now what will happen if we send this power of 1 by 4 on the other side? We will get x equals to 1 by 2 raised to power 4. Okay, that means the value of x will be 1 by 16. The value of x will be 1 by 16. This will be our final answer. The value of x is 1 by 16. I hope you enjoyed this interesting question. If yes, please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.